Do you want to learn Python programming with your smartphone? Welcome to Smartphone Coding. In this tutorial, I will show you how to print a message and in the Python terminal, and how to print a bunch of messages in the Python terminal using a bunch of print, and how to print a single message more times. So let's get started. You just have to come in your Python IDE, PyDroid 3, and start coding. Yes, here we go. You just have to write point. Welcome to smartphone coding, and welcome to smartphone coding, and just run that and see what we will got like result. Hit the play button here, and we go. Welcome to smartphone coding. Great. So let's keep on, and that shows a single with a single point. So you just have to write points, dual quotes, and put your message in between the dual quotes, and let print is the second message here. Print. What's your name? What's your name? And here we go. What's your name? Again, let's run that, and you see, welcome to smartphone coding. What's your name? Great. And again, let's keep on. Print again. My name is Python. Right. So just say Python. Yeah, great. And run that again. Welcome to smartphone coding. What's your name? My name is Python. Great. And here we go. We can write as much as we like. So print again. Coding is fun. Coding is fun with smartphone, and great. Run that again. Oh, and it worked. Well, okay. So let's come back, and we can write all that with a single point. Let me show you that. And we delete all that, and again print. Now, instead of using a single dual quote, we will use a triple dual quote. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we go. We're good to go now. Let's start writing. Welcome to smartphone coding. Again, instead of using a second or another point instruction, you just have to hit enter and write a new code again. What's your name? What's your name? Again, hit enter. My name is Python. My name is Python. Yeah, great. Python is a great name. And again, and enter, and coding is fun with smartphone. And okay, so look at the text. You look at the code here. We just have a single point, a triple dual quotes, and we put between those quotes or messages. So now what we have to do is just run it and see what we got as a result. We go. Pop. Voila! Welcome to Smartphone Coding. What's your name? My name is Python. Coding is run with smartphone. You see that? So if yours didn't work well, you won't say program finish here. You will say trash back. You will see a whole bunch of stuff there. So you just have to come back to your code and correct what is going on. So this is how we can write a bunch of messages using a single point. And then I will add on that some things. So this is when you want to print messages. So if you want to print the same messages more times, we will cover that soon right now, and let's clear that and let create print smartphone coding. Smartphone coding. Great, it's a great name. Well, so if you want to print this message, you just have to click on enter and you have okay. Now you wanted to print the same message but more times, like let's say 10 times. What you have to do, the first way is to write more print, like 10 prints and print the same message. Second one is to do with a single print but with 10 smartphone coding with 10 messages, the same message 10 times. But the third method, which is the fastest and the greatest way to do it, is just to write the print and your message, and then you wait times how many times you wanted to write to print the same message. So let's say 10 times 10 and run it. You see, it got here smartphone coding, smartphone coding, smartphone coding, smartphone coding. So 10 times, and but this arrangement is not great. We didn't say to the code to make a space between each message and also come in new line. So let's get back and try to fix that. We have that, and instead of going there, we just have to do that. And here we go, print. Can you see that? Yeah. Here we go. Smartphone coding, smartphone coding, smartphone coding 10 times. And we can also say like smartphone coding print. Python is great. Python is great. And let's try. Python is great. Put that and let's write here. How many times? Let's say 20 times. And run it again. Oh, smartphone coding, Python is good, Python is great. This is really great. Don't you think that is great? Yeah, so that is how you can print a bunch of messages and 10 times, many times. And so, I think that you learned something in this tutorial. If you do, so please like the video and subscribe for more video like this. Great. Please keep learning.